That's nice.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, baby. Anything. Happy G? What is happening here? Stick by this cow for a little bit. Alright, sick.
Take care, man.
Thank you, you too. Cheers. Wow. Miss. That's right. Now we are in Amsterdam. We have about an hour until sundown. So golden hours now. I have one battery for this, 1.5 batteries of GoPro-ness. So we're gonna go until we can't stop, basically. Yeah, well, go until we have to stop. These trees are super golden. Got a nice canal shot here. Nice and basic to warm up a bit. 5.6. Cool. Canal. Sun is bright. What have we got over yonder? Wicked colour of the trees. Change focus area to wide. Nothing crazy. Fucking hell. How beautiful is this? By the looks of where the sun is, we don't have that much time. So let's hit our warm-up shots. Run into the centre. Stay around the canals. It rained earlier, so puddles be everywhere. So let's keep an eye out for some interesting shots we can do with them. Like always, A6600, Sigma 18 to 50, f2.8, beast of a combo. Never really lets me down. Currently in aperture priority, so just changing the f-stop and ISO, auto ISO. So I've got the max minimum to 100, max to 4000. Also have a max shutter speed, or minimum shutter speed, sorry, of 1/500 for now. Probably change that as the sun goes down, as less light is surrounding us. Be more selective with our shots rather than run and gun. Yeah. Got no words, just a cool tram shot, really. Got the sun hitting the background there, which is nice. Having a look at this puddle. Got one person. Should have free rein for a little bit. Yeah. Not the best, not the worst. I reckon this puddle will be quite nice. Wait for people to walk by. I got the f-stop just a little bit. Yeah, baby. Dig that. That'll come up wicked. Pretty wicked, some might say. Pretty wicked. Hello, doggy. Completely fumbled that. Miss. That's alright. Nice, simple shot. It's in at f7.1. I think we'll wait for the boat to pass. Then we'll hit it. Cool. Whoa. Kind of like the silhouettes. There, everything going. So, wants to focus. Let's kind of set up our camera. We want to take one in the middle. Go vertical. There's a car coming across, so wait for the car to come across. Jump into the center and then take a quick picky. What do we think? Might try again without people in the way. Stops focusing on the sky. One of those will be alright. Alright-ish at least. Change. There we go. I knew where I wanted to be. Go manual focus or spot focus. Go down a little bit. Use a little bit of negative space in the sky. Lovely jubbly. Take one a little bit more in the center. Move the spot into the center. Do the same sort of thing. Cool. Moving on. Wow. That is sick. I think what I'm kind of aiming for here is like the vanishing point of where the buildings will kind of end up being. I'm putting on the lower third of the rule of thirds. Kind of using that as trying to compositionize. That's a word. I think that looks pretty good. Might try doing this shot again. We'll zoom into 50. I think that'll be the best bet. Got a tram coming that way, so I think we'll be right. Get up and get down low. Sick. It's all just golden light, baby. It's hard to fuck up photography in golden hour. What is happening here? Interesting puddle there. Potentially going backwards. Let's have a look. Stick by this cow for a little bit.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's cool. Man, we're really milking the sunlight while we can, which is, I guess, is what we should be doing. What if we use the tram line as kind of like a... And everything is just super duper wicked golden. It's almost unfair how sick this looks. Maybe let's quickly try a long exposure. Man, my settings are all kind of fucked up. That is not going to be good. That's fine. We'll save that for later. Back into aperture priority. It was a cool idea in the moment. Just a nice classic kind of canal kind of leads you towards the center of the view. Using greenery on the side there. That's 4 o'clock. A ding donger. So we have 45 minutes till sundown. There's a dude with wonder if that dog is in focus at all. Ish. feel like you just gotta keep your head on a motherfucking swivel to not get run over by anything. Hey, Pidgey. Right. I think we've completely lost the golden sun. Still got daylight though, which is good. I reckon we can do something with the love heart over there in a bit. Let's just get one of this bridge.
Amateur or professional?
Oh, amateur.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Landscapes?
Landscapes, street, people. It's first time. First day today, yeah.
Man, check out the neighborhood over there.
Over there? Yeah.
Across the bridge.
Yeah.
Or official dolphin.
Yeah, cool.
It's like, you have to say hi to somebody with a camera.
Yeah.
In this neighborhood over there,
Yeah.
there's little nooks and crannies you could find. And if you cross the bridge
Yeah.
and make a right,
Yeah.
follow the road, you come to a bridge that gives you an amazing view of the clock.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so if you definitely have to check it out.
Yeah, sick. So cross the
yeah,
bridge.
Make a right,
Right.
follow the road, it's going to do a bend,
Yep.
and you will come to a bridge on the right. You'll see it. I don't have to tell you.
All right, sick.
All right, take care, man.
Thank you, you too.
All right.
Cheers. Yeah, there's the big old clock. Might try to get that before we lose all the light. So he said, cross the bridge, turn a right, and follow the road. He said it would curve a bit. Man, that whole roof is a freaking giant puddle. Get run over. Can't really do much with it. What about up like there? Ooh. You can't really see this, but that's pretty cool. Have a go at that. You wouldn't be able to tell that that puddle is just on top of a houseboat. That's wicked. Crop it in a little bit to get rid of the things on the bottom, but happy days. Right, so this road is doing the thing that he told us it would do, and there's a bridge. Oh yeah. Yeah, literally could not have missed it.
It's the first selfie we did. Put my chin up.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah.
I think we got to this place at a good time. Absolutely wicked. I would have completely missed this spot unless that dude spoke up. So thank you, dude. Oh, this is a good shot too. Oh, there's a cat. Hello, baby. Hey. Hi. What a cutie. Alright, back to the bridge shot. I think we might wait a bit. Get the boat to come kind of like sitting in the center here, if it wants to. Looks like it's going to. Please, if you just sit in the center. Change to the flex spot. So I've got 87% left, or a total of 63% left on GoPros. I dig the Love Me, which is just over there. I'll go up there, hit the Love Me sign with the little... Should be able to crop into something a little bit nice. I think vertical is going to work a little bit nicer. Use the reflection of the off the canal in the sky. Sick. Come back over to this bridge because the reflection off the bridge gives up like a super nice circle.
Some people.
Yeah, look at that. Sick. Right, go up a little bit further. Get the reflection off on a side angle a little bit. Cool. Let's kneel down here. Move the point to the bridge. I didn't even realise there's a car sitting in the water just there, which that's hilarious. So it's not hilarious. A nice long puddle. What have we got here? Are we just doing puddle shots for the sake of puddle shots? A little bit right now.